Hi everyone, in today's easy tutorial I'm going to show you the best prompts to generate cute dog images in Midjourney. Welcome to the channel, let's dive into it. So on your Discord homepage, select a server with a Midjourney bot on it, and let's start with our slash imagine command and let's hit enter. So I'm going to start with my composition first. I'm going to write down portrait, but feel free to use other compositions such as headshot, close-up, wide shot, etc. And let's type some adjectives here. I'm going to use the words cute and adorable. And here, let's define our object. Instead of just writing a dog, try to use a specific dog breed. So I really love Bloodhound, so I'm going to write down Bloodhound here. Also, you can say puppy here. Why not? We are making it more cute. And then I'm going to hit space once. I'm going to add some more adjectives that characterize with my dog breed. Bloodhounds usually have huge ears, but feel free to use other adjectives such as huge eyes or lots of fur as well. And then let's stylize this. So I want this to be a photorealistic image, so I'm going to use some keywords such as 8K HDR, high detail, finally octane render, and let's hit enter to generate. And here's our puppy, and as you can see it looks adorable and my heart just melt. Feel free to use other adjectives or different dog breeds to get different results. And that's how to create cute dogs in Midjourney. If you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others to find this video as well. Thank you for watching.